are you? I like to be with you, and you, and you, and you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Teacher Joy's YouTube channel, and we're so glad that today we're going to learn another new letters. Yay! What are the letters that we're going to learn today? Can you make a guess by looking at my headpiece? How about walrus? Yes, very good. Walrus. This is walrus. And walrus begins with W. Very good. W. How to write down W? Broken line. Up and go down. And go up again. W. Can you say it again? W. The name of the letter is W, but the sound is W. Yes, good job. Very good. Now let us find out what are things begin with W. Are you ready? Alright, let's count. 1, 2, 3. Wow! We have many pictures here. Let's see if they begins with W. Okay, ready? How about this one? Wagon. Wagon begins with W. Very good. How about this? Web. Web begins with W. Very good. And how about this one? Wig. Wig. Wig is a fake hair. You know, wig begins with W. Very good. How about this one? Watermelon. Watermelon begins with W. Very good. How about this? Walrus. Yes, just like this on my head. Walrus begins with W. And how about this one? Dice. Dice begins with W. No, Teacher Joyce. Walrus. W. Watermelon. W. Well. W. But dice. Dice. Yes, dice begins with D. So let's take this one out. Alright, because it doesn't belong to the sound of W. Okay, everyone. Very good. Now, I believe everyone can name all the things begin with W. Yes. Let's continue to the next letter. We're going to learn another new letter now. But before that, I would like you to make a guess. What animal make this move? Fish? Yes, you're right! How about this one? Bird? Yes, very good everyone! How about this? Bear? No, it's not a bear. Elephant? Yay, you're right! Elephant. And now let's invite Mr. Elephant. And I have a friend in my class. It's an elephant and his name is Awa. Are you ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Hello, Awa! Correct. Look at Awa. Awa has a long trunk. Awa is an elephant just like on my headband. Yes! Today, can you guess what letter that we're going to learn? Elephant. Yes! We're going to learn letter A. Very good! And before we find out what our things begin with A, we're going to see how to write letter A. So you start from here. Okay. And go up, make a curve like letter K, and stop here. Can you do it? Let's do it again. You can get your pencil and a paper and you write it down. Yes, up, and stop here. Very good. You have to try it over and over again until you can make a very nice letter A. Alright, Mr. Awa, I think it's time for you to show us what begins with A. A.
Are you ready, everyone? I want to show you. What are things begin with A?
Of course, we're ready. Are you ready, children? Alright, let's count. 1, 2, 3. Wow! Mr. Ewa, look at that! There are so many pictures. Can you help us and tell all the children what are things begin with A? A, elephant, just like your name. Ewa. Alright, what is this?
That's me, the elephant.
Oh yes, correct. Elephant. A. Alright, how about this, Mr. Awa?
Oh, that is envelope.
Can you say it? Can you hear what Awa said? Envelope. Envelope. Begins with A. Very good. Mr. Awa, I want you to tell me what is this?
Oh, that is an egg.
Egg. Can you follow what Mr. Awa said? Egg. Very good. How about that one, Mr. Awa?
Oh, that one is elbow.
Elbow. Yes, elbow begins with A. Elbow. Can you show me your elbow? Elbow. Very good. All right. Thank you very much, Mr. Awa.
You're most welcome, everyone.
Okay, it's time to say goodbye, Mr. Awa. Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Koala, 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 Yes, the letter that we are going to learn next is K. This is K, and I call this tall K because we have another K. K for cat and K for king. Alright? K for cat can be also K for kitten, the baby cat. Okay, this tall K, how to write it down? Now it's time for you to get your paper and your pencil and let's try to write it down. From the top, go down, and then from the middle, and then you slide down and touch the bottom line. Alright? Good. Let's try it again. From the top, touch the bottom line. From the middle, slide down and slide down. Okay, I guess you are so good now. You have to keep trying writing letter K. Alright, this time, Miss Little Koala will tell you what are things begin with K. K. Can you say K? K. Yes, K. Okay, what is this one? Koala. Yes, just like this. And how about this? King. Very good. King has a crown. King begins with K. How about this one? Yes, cattle. Cattle begins with K. Alright, how about this? K, K. Kangaroo. Kangaroo begins with K. Good job, everyone. How about this? K, K. Key. Yes, to open your door, you need a key. Good job. And how about this? Kitten. Well done, kitten. Yes, the baby cat we call kitten. Kitten. All begins with K. Yes, very good, everyone. Okay, that's all the words begin with K. Say it again. K. Good job. We have finished discussing letter W, A. Alright, good. Say it again. A and K. Keep reviewing your lessons, keep practicing your writing, and do your homework. And thank you for watching, everyone. Bye!